In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Gemini Nano banana aspect ratio problem when creating images. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. Whether you're a content creator, a graphic designer, or someone who just enjoys making images, we all know how important the right aspect ratio can be. If your images don't display correctly, it can throw off the entire look and feel of your project. Luckily, with the Gemini Nano, there are steps we can take to resolve these issues. First things first, you will want to start by accessing Google Gemini. Head over to your web browser and type Google Gemini in the search bar. Once you've clicked on the search button, you should see the option pop up in the results. Go ahead and click on that link. Now, once you're on the Google Gemini homepage, you will see a prompt box waiting for you. The next step is to input your desired prompt to create a transparent aspect ratio of your choice. This is essential as it sets the foundation for the image you're going to be working on. Once you've done that, you will notice a small plus icon on your screen. Click on that to access additional features. This little button is your gateway to more tools that can help fine-tune your image creation. Now here's something that's often overlooked. Hover over the More Tools section to uncover different options. It's easy to miss this part, but this is where you can find the Canvas option, which is critical to solving the aspect ratio problem. Once you've found the Tools section, make sure you click on Canvas. This option will provide you with multiple aspects and dimensions for your images, allowing you to select what works best for your project's needs. After that, go ahead and select your preferred aspect ratio. That is essential to ensure your image appears correctly. Once you've settled on the right one, you can download it straight to your storage. It's always good to double-check that the downloaded file looks as you intended it to. Now, on to the next step. It's important to make a new chat. This part might seem a little unusual, but trust me, it is a step crucial for resolving that pesky aspect ratio issue. In this new chat interface, you will describe the image you want to create. Make sure to include the phrase, "Keep aspect ratio, same as the image uploaded," to ensure the system understands that you want to maintain the proportions you've just set. Once you've described your image, the next step is to upload the transparent image you just downloaded. You can either click on the plus symbol to upload it, or use the super convenient drag and drop feature. This flexibility allows you to easily integrate the new image into your project. If all goes well, you should see your newly uploaded image pop up in the chat window. From this point, you can continue customizing or enhancing your creation as needed. And there you have it. Those are the steps to fix the Gemini Nano Banana aspect ratio problem when creating images. Remember, the key is to start from the right prompt and to make the necessary adjustments along the way to ensure your image's proportions remain exactly how you want them. So the next time you're faced with aspect ratio challenges in your image creation processes with Gemini, you'll know exactly how to tackle them. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!